Hey beautiful people, welcome to the Pristine Beauty channel. Sorry for being inactive lately, and today I have Terry with me. Say hi, Titi. And today I'm going to share a hair care routine and hair care marks. So let's get started. Okay, while talking about hair care, cleanliness is the most. And in saying that, we shouldn't overwash our hair, like washing frequently or daily. Kind of strips out our natural shine and it takes our natural oil away. So we should make sure we do it 2 times or 2 or 3 times a week. And overwashing may cause dryness, hair loss, and split ends and breakage of our hair. So make sure we do not overwash our hair. And step number 2. And the other important factor in hair care is the temperature of water. So people living in Melbourne often face hair loss problems because we used to use hot water to wash our hair, and it opens the hair follicles, it causes dryness, and it may increase the chance of hair loss. So we have to make sure the water is not too hot, not too cold. It must be lukewarm, or it may cause dryness, hair loss, split ends. And the other one is using too much heat in our hair, like straightener, dryer, blow dryer. So we have to make sure we don't use too much heat, otherwise it may cause split ends, a breakage, and dryness. After washing our hair, we can just dry out our roots to prevent cold and sunken eyes. Beside that, we can just normal dry our other part of the hair in our daily sunlight. So yeah, that's it. So let's get started with our hair mask. It contains fenugreek seed, curd, and coconut oil. I use this coconut oil. So we'll apply this in our hair and let's see the result. So this contains fenugreek seed. Make sure you blend well, otherwise it will come like this. So it contains fenugreek seed, which helps to prevent hair loss and keep the shine, maintain the shine. It helps to prevent dandruff as well, all in one. So it contains fenugreek seed, which helps to maintain the shine and maintain the moisture in the hair, and it helps to prevent dandruff as well. And the mask contains coconut oil, and the coconut oil helps to nourish the hair, and it contains fatty acids, vitamins, which helps to lock the moisture in the hair. And the other one is curd. It contains lactic acid, vitamin B5, and vitamin E, which helps to increase the hair health. So after keeping 15 minutes, we'll wash our hair, or you can keep it for more, like 1 hour or 2 hours. So this is after I wash my hair. I normally dry the roots, but today is kind of hot day, so I wish to dry it in sunlight, and that's it. It looks kind of shiny, weighty. It's perfectly a hair go for me. So after you dry, you can just apply some almond oil if you like. If you have like extra dry hair, but mine one is this video. Okay. And yeah, that's it. So make sure you apply some heat protecting spray if you want to blow dry. Till then, that's all good. So to maintain our hair care routine, we have to wash our hair just 2 or 3 times a week, and we have to avoid using the heat like straightener or blow dryer in our hair, and we have to maintain the temperature like a lukewarm water while washing our hair. And yeah, that's it. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to share your story or if you want to give a feedback, just let me in the message section. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Bye. Till then, Pristine Beauty, connecting health with beauty.